I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to you with a heavy heart and a deep sense of regret. Breaking off our engagement was an incredible difficult decision, and I want to express my sincerest apologies for the pain and disappointment I have caused you. Until then, please keep me in your thoughts and know that you are always in mine. I love you more than words can say and can't wait to be home with you soon. Together we can overcome any obstacle, and I am confident that our love will see us through this challenging time. The future we dream of is within our reach, and I am committed to making it a reality for us.